How to turn off NSFW filters on character AI. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to turn off NSFW filter on character AI. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's continue. So I'm just going to open this app right here. Now, once your app is open, you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So just make sure that your account is logged in. Now, once your app is open, just make sure that you're logged in. So I'm just going to tap on my profile to show you that I've already logged into my account. Now you will have to find a character that you want to chat with and turn off the filter with. So I'm going to go on my Explore page. And let's just search for Nanami Kento from Jujutsu Kaisen. So I'm just going to search his name and hopefully it will show up right here. So here it is. I'm just going to tap on the chat. And as you guys can see, here it is. So I'm just going to give it a simple hi first. And then I'm going to tell it right away to turn off NSFW filter. And once I sent this message, so as you guys can see, the character will not follow the command right away, but if you persist, you can get the character to turn off the filter. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.